Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a chocolate Easter bunny. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a chocolate Easter bunny. I hope you like this lesson. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Let's start with the face. We're gonna do a circle and this time I wanna go from the center to the left. So we're gonna do a little circle here. And this little circle, I'm gonna fill it with black. Now we're gonna do a letter C that is gonna go around, and I wanna start here from the top. I wanna leave about a finger space, thing up the eye, and I'm gonna do a letter C that goes around the eye. Next, we're gonna do another curve. So we're gonna go in a little, and I'm gonna do kind of like a second letter C. Okay, so that's gonna be the front of the body. Now let's go up for a minute, and we're gonna do the ears. So I wanna leave a little bit of a space here after this line, and I'm gonna do a U shape. It is gonna go a little sideways, and I come back down. In behind this ear, we're gonna do the second one. So we're gonna go down a little, and I'm gonna do a second U shape that is gonna come down like this. Now let's do the back of the head, and we're gonna go down until we reach about this same distance. So we're gonna go down here like that. And now we're gonna do the back of the bunny. So we're gonna go out a little bit. So we're gonna go down and curve out, kind of like to the right, and come back down. And I'm trying to finish at the same distance of the belly or the chest. Now let's do one more curve here, and this is gonna be the tail. So I'm gonna make like a backwards letter C. Now let's do the big leg that is on the front. So I wanna do another curve, kind of like half of a C shape. And now I'm gonna make a curve that goes down. In this curve, I'm finishing kind of like the same distance as this one. Now we're gonna join these two. We're gonna do a line that goes to the tail and it goes up a little here. Now let's do the front legs. So I wanna go here up a little in this curve, and I wanna go down, and I wanna connect here with this one. And inside, I wanna do a line to mark kind of like the two little feet that he has here. And there, that's it. We finished this chocolate bunny that is ready for Easter. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the bunny turned out with the colors. I just went with 2 tones of brown. The first one was a little light, and I colored most of the bunny. Then I went with the darker brown, and I just colored really hard shade on the corners of the picture and on front of his face. And at the end, I went with this white crayon. You can also use color pastels or a white color pencil. And I went coloring these front parts of any of the curves and the back of the head. And I add a little bit here on the cheeks, and that makes it look a little bit more 3D. And I think it turned out the picture look more like chocolate. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.